Welcome to MamboSoftware. This video is for showing company items. Click on company, scroll down to items and click on item list. Click on new button. Select an item under item type. Type the item name. There are two small boxes, one has periodic, the second one has this service is performed by a subcontractor, owner or partner. Choose one of them. In our case we select periodic. Under selling price select a price. Under income account select. Finally click on save. Select an item, then click on edit button, then make the necessary changes, then click on save. Select an item, then click on clone, make the necessary changes and then click on save button. Thank you for watching.